Exploring the natural beauty and urban wonders of Britain. A comprehensive travel guide introduction. Britain is a captivating destination, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural landscapes. From the bustling streets of London to the tranquil hills of the Lake District, this island nation offers a diverse range of experiences for every traveler. In this video, we will explore the breathtaking scenery and unique attractions of Britain's cities and capitals, showcasing the many reasons why it should be on your travel bucket list. 1. The allure of London. London, the capital of England, is a global city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. Iconic landmarks such as the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, and the British Museum are just the beginning. Stroll along the River Thames for stunning views of the London Eye and Tower Bridge. Natural spaces in the city. Despite its urban environment, London is home to many green spaces. Hyde Park, Regent's Park, and Kew Gardens provide tranquil escapes where you can relax amidst nature. These parks are perfect for picnics, leisurely walks, or even boating on the Serpentine Lake. 2. The historic charm of Edinburgh. Traveling north to Scotland, we arrive in Edinburgh, the capital known for its historic and architectural significance. The Edinburgh Castle, perched atop Castle Rock, offers breathtaking views of the city and is a must-visit. The cobbled streets of the Royal Mile lead you through a labyrinth of shops, restaurants, and historic sites. Natural wonders. Don't miss Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano and hill that provides stunning panoramas of the city. Hiking to the summit is a popular activity, especially at sunrise or sunset. The Scottish Highlands are also easily accessible from Edinburgh, featuring majestic landscapes that are ideal for outdoor adventures. 3. The cultural hub of Manchester. Next, we head to Manchester, a city known for its vibrant music scene and rich industrial history. Visit the Museum of Science and Industry to learn about the city's role in the Industrial Revolution. Manchester Art Gallery and the Whitworth Art Gallery showcase a diverse range of art, from classic to contemporary. Parks and green spaces. Manchester is also home to beautiful parks such as Fletcher Moss Botanical Garden and Heaton Park, one of the largest municipal parks in Europe. These spaces offer a perfect backdrop for relaxation and leisure activities. 4. The coastal beauty of Brighton. Moving south to the coast, Brighton is known for its vibrant beach culture and artistic community. The iconic Brighton Pier offers amusement rides and arcade games, making it a fun destination for families. Natural coastal scenery. The South Downs National Park, located nearby, features stunning chalk hills and picturesque walking trails. Enjoy panoramic views of the coastline and the rolling countryside. The coastal path is perfect for a leisurely stroll, offering a refreshing sea breeze and beautiful scenery. 5. The serene landscapes of the Lake District. The Lake District, located in northwest England, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its breathtaking landscapes. The region is characterized by sparkling lakes, lush valleys, and rugged mountains. Popular lakes like Windermere and Derwentwater provide opportunities for boating, fishing, and hiking. Outdoor adventures. This area is a hiker's paradise, with trails for all levels, including the famous Scafell Pike, the highest mountain in England. Whether you're looking for a gentle walk or a challenging climb, the Lake District has it all. 6. The historic allure of Bath. Bath, a city known for its Roman heritage and Georgian architecture, is another gem in Britain. The Roman baths are a testament to the city's rich history, while the stunning Bath Abbey showcases magnificent Gothic architecture. Natural hot springs. Don't miss the chance to relax in the Thermy Bath Spa, where you can enjoy the natural thermal waters that have been used for centuries. The rooftop pool offers a unique view of the city while you unwind in the warm waters. 7. The vibrancy of Cardiff. Traveling to Wales, Cardiff, the capital, is a dynamic city with a mix of historic and modern attractions. The Cardiff Castle is a must-see, providing insight into the city's medieval past. Cultural experiences. Explore the Cardiff Bay, which is home to the Wales Millennium Centre, a stunning arts venue hosting a variety of performances. The Bay Area also features beautiful waterfront views, perfect for a leisurely walk. Conclusion. From the bustling streets of London to the serene landscapes of the Lake District, Britain offers an incredible variety of experiences for every type of traveler. The rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty make it a must-visit destination. Whether you're exploring historic cities, relaxing in lush parks, or hiking in the countryside, Britain promises an unforgettable adventure.